Hello and welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Tips, the channel where we share practical and effective ways to improve your well-being. In today's video, we are going to talk about the 15 best books on meditation that can help you achieve more peace, clarity and happiness in your life. Meditation is a practice that has been around for thousands of years, and has been proven by science to have many benefits for your physical, mental and emotional health. Meditation can reduce stress, anxiety, depression, pain, blood pressure, inflammation and aging. It can also enhance your memory, attention, creativity, compassion and immune system. But how do you get started with meditation? How do you choose the right technique for you? How do you overcome the challenges and obstacles that may arise along the way? How do you deepen your practice and experience the true essence of meditation? That's where these books come in. These books are written by some of the most respected and experienced teachers, experts and practitioners of meditation from different traditions, backgrounds and perspectives. They offer you practical guidance, inspiring stories, useful tips and valuable insights that can help you learn, grow and transform through meditation. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced meditator, whether you are interested in mindfulness, Zen, Vipassana, Transcendental or any other type of meditation, whether you are looking for daily inspiration, scientific evidence or spiritual wisdom, there is a book for you in this list. So without further ado, let's dive into the 15 best books on meditation that you should read. 1. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. This is one of the most popular and influential books on spirituality and meditation of our time. Eckhart Tolle teaches you how to live in the present moment, which is the key to finding inner peace and happiness. He shows you how to free yourself from the ego, the mind and the pain that keep you trapped in the past or the future. He also explains how to access the source of your true self, which is beyond time and form. 2. The Mind Illuminated by Culadasa, John Yates, Matthew Immergut and Jeremy Graves. This is one of the most comprehensive and detailed books on meditation ever written. Culadasa is a neuroscientist and a Buddhist teacher who combines his scientific knowledge and his meditative experience to create a systematic and progressive guide to mastering the stages of meditation. He covers everything from the basics of posture, breathing and attention, to the advanced practices of insight, joy and enlightenment. 3. Mindfulness in Plain English by Bhante Henepola Gunaratana. This is one of the most accessible and practical books on mindfulness meditation. Bhante Gunaratana is a Sri Lankan monk who has been teaching meditation for over 50 years. He explains the fundamentals of mindfulness meditation in a clear and simple language that anyone can understand. He also addresses the common problems and questions that beginners may have, such as how to deal with distractions, boredom, sleepiness and emotions. 4. 10% Happier by Dan Harris. This is one of the most entertaining and relatable books on meditation for skeptics. Dan Harris is a TV journalist who had a panic attack on live television. He then embarked on a journey to find a way to cope with his stress and anxiety. He discovered meditation through interviewing some of the most famous figures in spirituality, such as Eckhart Tolle, Deepak Chopra and Dalai Lama. He shares his honest and humorous story of how he became 10% happier through meditation. 5. The Art of Happiness by Dalai Lama and Howard Cutler. This is one of the most inspiring and uplifting books on meditation for happiness. Dalai Lama is the spiritual leader of Tibetan Buddhism and a Nobel Peace Prize winner. Howard Cutler is a psychiatrist who interviewed Dalai Lama over several years. They discuss how to cultivate happiness in every aspect of life, such as relationships, work, health and adversity. They also reveal how meditation can help you develop compassion, wisdom and inner peace. 6. The Mindful Way Through Depression by Mark Williams, John Teasdale, Zindel Segal and John Kabat-Zinn. This is one of the most helpful and supportive books on meditation for depression. Mark Williams, John Teasdale, Zindel Segal and John Kabat-Zinn are experts in cognitive therapy and mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR. They explain how depression can trap you in a cycle of negative thoughts, feelings and behaviors that prevent you from enjoying life. They also teach you how to use mindfulness meditation to break free from this cycle and regain your sense of well-being. 7. The Art of Mandala by Jason Hamilton. This is one of the best books on meditation through coloring. Jason Hamilton is an artist and a meditation enthusiast who creates beautiful and intricate mandala designs. Mandala is a Sanskrit word that means circle or center. It is a symbolic representation of the universe, the self and the divine. Coloring mandalas can help you relax, focus and express your creativity. It can also help you connect with your inner wisdom and spirituality. 8. The Book of Joy. Lasting Happiness in a Changing World by Dalai Lama, Desmond Tutu and Douglas Abrams. This is one of the most delightful and heartwarming books on meditation for joy. Dalai Lama and Desmond Tutu are two of the most revered and influential spiritual leaders of our time. They are also close friends who share a bond of laughter and love. Douglas Abrams is a writer and a journalist who joined them for a week-long conversation in Dharamshala, India, where Dalai Lama lives in exile. They discuss how to find joy in the face of suffering, challenges and uncertainty. They also share their personal stories, practices and teachings on meditation, compassion and forgiveness. 9. This Moment is Your Life, and So Is This One, a fun and easy guide to mindfulness, meditation, and yoga by Mariam Gates. This is one of the best books on meditation for kids. Mariam Gates is a yoga and meditation teacher who specializes in working with children and teens. She introduces the concepts and benefits of mindfulness, meditation and yoga in a fun and easy way that kids can relate to. She also provides exercises, activities and tips that kids can do at home, at school or anywhere they go. She helps kids develop skills such as self-awareness, self-regulation, self-esteem, resilience and empathy. 10. The Headspace Guide to Meditation and Mindfulness by Andy Puddicombe. This is one of the best books on meditation for short meditations. Andy Puddicombe is a former Buddhist monk who founded Headspace, one of the most popular meditation apps in the world. He teaches you how to meditate in just 10 minutes a day, using simple and effective techniques that anyone can learn. He also explains the science behind meditation and how it can improve your health, happiness and performance. 11. The Art of Living. Vipassana Meditation as Taught by S.N. Goenka by William Hart. This is one of the best books on Vipassana meditation. Vipassana means insight, or clear seeing. It is a technique of meditation that aims to develop direct and experiential understanding of the true nature of reality. S.N. Goenka was one of the most renowned teachers of Vipassana meditation in modern times. He taught thousands of people around the world through his 10-day courses. William Hart is one of his senior students who compiled his teachings into this book. He covers the theory, practice and application of Vipassana meditation in daily life. 12. Zen Mind, Beginner's Mind by Shunryu Suzuki. This is one of the best books on Zen and Buddhist meditation. Shunryu Suzuki was a Japanese Zen master who founded the San Francisco Zen Center, one of the first and largest Zen communities in America. He gave lectures to his students on various aspects of Zen practice, such as posture, breathing, mind, attitude, effort, enlightenment and more. These lectures were recorded and edited into this book by his disciple Trudy Dixon. He emphasizes the importance of having a beginner's mind, which is open, curious and humble. 13. The Miracle of Mindfulness. An Introduction to the Practice of Meditation by Thich Nhat Hanh. This is one of the best books on mindfulness meditation by Thich Nhat Hanh, one of the most revered and influential Buddhist teachers of our time. He teaches you how to practice mindfulness in every moment of your life, whether you are walking, eating, working or doing anything else. He shows you how to transform your mundane activities into opportunities for awareness, joy and peace. He also gives you practical exercises, such as breathing, smiling, washing dishes and more. 14. Transcendence. Healing and Transformation Through Transcendental Meditation by Norman E. Rosenthal. This is one of the best books on transcendental meditation, TM. TM is a technique of meditation that involves repeating a mantra, a sound or a word, silently in your mind for 15 to 20 minutes twice a day. Norman E. Rosenthal is a psychiatrist and a researcher who has studied the effects of TM on various aspects of health and well-being. He presents scientific evidence and personal stories that show how TM can help you heal from stress, trauma, addiction, depression, anxiety and more. 15. The Untethered Soul. The Journey Beyond Yourself by Michael A. Singer. This is one of the best books on meditation for self-discovery. It serves as a valuable companion to meditation practice, offering insights into the nature of the mind, emotions, and inner peace. Singer emphasizes the importance of detachment from thoughts and attachments, encouraging readers to become observers rather than victims of their own thinking. The book teaches how to cultivate a heightened state of awareness, crucial for effective meditation, and addresses the common challenges of inner resistance and restlessness. Ultimately, Singer's teachings align with the goals of meditation, aiming to help individuals find profound inner peace and a deeper sense of self by transcending the limitations of the mind. I hope you enjoyed this video and found some books that interest you. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy lifestyle tips. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know which books you're going to read next. Thanks for watching and have a happy day.